Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your Whitney Bank account online. First of all, open up your web browser on your device and in the URL box type in hancockWhitney.com. Now search and then you will end up in the official site for Hancock Whitney. Go to the top right corner and tap the menu button. In the expanded menu, go ahead and scroll down to Account Login section and select your account type from the drop-down. Now type down your username and password in the respective text boxes. After filling in your credential, tap on View Your Account and you will then be able to sign in to your Whitney online banking account. So that's how it's super easily done. Now you're ready to manage your finances with ease. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I will see you in the next episode. Thanks for watching.